Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Smove and camera so the gimbal can work without strain. First, charge the battery fully and confirm firmware is current. This prevents erratic behavior. Next, mount the camera on the quick-release plate and tighten each screw just enough to hold it. Then balance tilt, roll and pan by shifting the camera until it stays level without motors powered. Once done, secure any loose cables so they won't tug while the motors engage. You now power on the Smove from a neutral, level position and wait for motor initialization to finish. This prevents misalignment. After it boots, run the built-in auto-calibration to align sensors and gyros, then manually fine-tune motor strength to match your camera's weight. 2 strong wastes battery, 2 weak drifts. Next, set follow modes and dial joystick sensitivity and motion smoothing. These choices determine how snappy or cinematic you begin shooting by practicing intentional moves. Slow pans and micro adjustments yield clean footage. Once you're comfortable, use time-lapse or motion-lapse modes and lock unused axes for steady static shots. This reduces motor load. If you notice drift, jitter, or stuttering, stop and rebalance the camera, then rerun calibration. Make sure firmware and battery level are good and reduce motor strength slightly if overheating occurs. If problems persist, swap batteries and test with a lighter lens to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.